They not finished. I forgot what they're gonna do with it now. Oh, they not finished. He gonna try to chain again. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. They about to call somebody because they need to do something. He was probably better off instead of backing up. He's probably better off just pushing through, just going on through. He would have went over the curb. It looked like several people have gone over that curb. Here you go. Oh yeah, he trying to pull him. Don't even make any sense. What makes you think you're gonna be able to pull that truck? Them little tires. And then people keep on. He keeps trying to go backwards. It's not even budging. Kurt, you probably know somebody that you can probably charge him. Charge him to get his truck out. It didn't budge. Oh, he about to do it again. It didn't budge. That's it. And then they just blocking up the daggone. They're blocking up the. So I think he's gonna put